All right, welcome back to Keeping It Real Estate with Jason White, and I'm your humble host, Jason White. I promised a video series, and I wanted to start out. I get a lot of questions from first-time home buyers. A lot of the questions they ask is like, what do I do to get ready? What do I do to get prepared to buy a home? There's some steps you can take, and I think the most important step to take is to really figure out your budget. And the best way to figure that out is to talk with a lender, someone that you can trust, someone that's got your best interest in mind. If you do not have a lender, friends in the business, maybe you're not even sure, go to your credit union. They do have some great resources, but we also work with several direct lenders out there and some that know how to actually help you get to where you need to be to buy a home that fits your budget. So one, they look at debt to income ratio. Two, they look at your monthly income and also your credit score. One big thing is that credit score. A few points here and there can make or break a deal. They can also get you a better loan in comparison to maybe one that you may pay a little bit higher monthly payment on. So one great feature that I've found that a lot of credit unions do is they have basically a credit repair. It's a very small loan that they basically lend you, and then you pay on it monthly in order to repair your credit. So if you're one of those individuals where maybe you had something in the past, like 80% of Americans during the housing market crash or something, or if you're just starting out and maybe you don't have a whole lot of credit, those programs with the credit unions are great programs to get into and to help build the credit, and you can start now. Maybe you're ready to buy next year, whenever that might come. So step two is figuring out a location. So some of the questions you ask are, am I going to be starting a family? Is school district important to me, and what schools within that district would I want my children to go to, and start thinking about that. Again, there's resources out there that you can check the scorings on different schools, whether it be elementary schools or middle schools, depends on where your children are. And then step three, of course, is a realtor, someone that has your best interest in mind, someone that's very responsive, and someone that's willing to negotiate on your behalf. And I don't mean negotiate by being a tough cookie or being able to, diminish other people. A real negotiator is somebody that can get along with other people and that can get the deal done in a professional and a fast manner that saves you the most money. So again, if you have questions, please feel free to check out my YouTube page. Again, it's Keeping It Real Estate with Jason White. Message me on Facebook, comment below. Let me know what other questions you might have, and we'll see you again next week. Thank you very much.